Yes, ang ating topic for today, it's all about tutorial. So, familiar ba kayo guys dito sa tinatawag natin eGov? Actually, wala pang 1 month. Less than a month ko pa lang siya ginagamit. Ito guys, ayan o, yung may flag ng Pilipinas. Yellow, blue, red. eGov. So, let's do a review about it. So, pag binuksan yan guys, so, technically, naka-align siya dun sa mga merong tinatawag na national ID. So, ako kasi basic authentication na ginamit ko dito. Sorry. Okay. Sorry, guys. So, let's open again. Okay. Kailangan to ng website. Sorry, guys. So, let's check it out. Oh. Sorry, guys. So, hindi ko na-anticipate na dapat may website. So, tingnan natin yung laman ng app na to. So, well, it's technically, come on. Oh, I need to update. Wait a minute, guys. Yan. Ayan guys, itsura niyan. So, well, if you notice guys, ang mapapansin nyo dito, dito tayo sa side na kung saan yung mga e-government services na ginagamit natin. So, soon or later, no need, ito lang ang password na gagamitin mo dito where makakapasok ka. Pag kinlik mo to guys, tingnan nyo, yan, ito ang gitna. Ayan, nakikita nyo, Philippine National ID. And then, kung makikita nyo guys, ito, PhilHealth, GSIS, SSN, Government Services, Pag-ibig, e-travel. So, itong PhilHealth, ang cool nito, I don't need to log in. So, automatically, naka-login na ako kagad sa kanya. Naka-connect siya guys. Tingnan nyo, yan, diba? And then may current integration, yung SSS, currently naka-integrate na siya. So, all in one app talaga. So, I can say na this is the future of tomorrow. Very nice, guys. You can try it. And then, kapag pumunta kayo dito sa usually text siya text ko siya na receipt. Pero if you want to upload naman, e-government, guys. Yan, e-government. Ito yung tsura niya. Ayun, update ko lang guys.